Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing Eco Wish's One Stripe Across the Chest sweater. It comes in all sorts of colors, but I chose green. The neck is pretty wide and super stretchy, really soft, off the shoulder, and the whole print kind of goes off the shoulder. Ooh, I like it. I like it when it gets tapered over here. So tapered sleeves as well as somewhat tapered bottom, and front and back the exact same. So let me go ahead and try it on. Oh, it would be probably a good idea to iron out the kinks a little bit, but in general, just a super flowy, nice, ooh, the sleeves, I like how that hangs. There's no taper on the bottom though, just in the sleeves. Here's what the neckline looks like. And then in the back. But in general, just a really nice comfy sweater. You can see up close the knit. So for more product reviews, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think. And for more information about this sweater, make sure to check out the links below. All right, see you in the next video. Bye.